How to use dry acid bucket. In this video, we will use the example of Leslie's dry acid adjuster bucket. Dry acid buckets include a granular form of acid that helps lower pH, maintain balanced water, and total alkalinity in your pool or spa. This granular form of acid is safer and less caustic than muriatic acid. Routine usage directions. Step 1. Predissove the dry acid by adding the dry acid into a big plastic bucket of water and then pouring the acid solution into the deep end of the pool, away from the skimmer and the fixtures. Step 2. Dry acid should be added when the pump is on and running. Step 3. Retest the pH of the water in 4 hours and add more acid if needed. Useful tips. Do not add more than 150 grams of dry acid per 10,000 liters of pool water at any one time. Never add dry acid more than 3 times per day. Thank you, I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa for us.